Alright, well, I've further developed my same metal water battery to something that's a little bit more portable, and I decided I can actually make it even more smaller than this. But basically, it's just a straw, and at each end is aluminum foil, one strip, both about the same size, put into the straw. And the straw is full of tap water, but I'm going to use distilled water. But I don't use tap water right now because I'm out of distilled water, but for now, for purposes, it's working just fine. I got it hooked up. I don't know if you can see the aluminum foil. What I did is I filled it up one. I put aluminum foil in one, and I used hot glue. Then I took some and I smashed the ends so they made a watertight seal. So it's all gooped up and watertight and filled with water. And it's kind of amazing because I started out with this concept right here. You can see how far have I come from using big cup with big plates. Now I'm down to smaller design. It's producing about the same amount of power. But what I have noticed is that the power kind of fluctuates a wee bit. It just goes up and down, as you can see. Really haven't come to the conclusion what the power is coming from or what causes the positive and negative voltage. Best way I found to test it out is test each side, see if which one's positive, which one's negative. There's really no obvious clue which makes the positive or negative, or what makes power in the first place. Like I said, I've come from these types of cells right here, and I have advanced C cells actually to the point where they stay perfect. They don't lose water, they don't corrode, they just sit there, shorted out, and when you take the short off, they start producing power again. It's quite amazing. And this is what I'm on now. Simple straw design. And what I'm trying to do is how to get to this point where I perfected this cell first, found out which works best. And actually, I've been thinking about replacing the aluminum with graphite, because graphite is just so much superior than aluminum. And I'm working on to the smaller designs, and with the smaller designs like this one, I will be able to make better series circuits, like put them in series and parallel to run things like motors and lights, and that's what I'm working towards now. So this one little cell derived from this big old cop cell, and they both produce about the same power. It's quite amazing, really.